Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote, and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you.